Oh, I guess Stranger Things has reached Sprunki Land. Get the gang ready. It's Demogorgon time. Uh-oh, you can run, but you can't hide. So either get running or get 11. That's your cue, girl. She's got the power. So let's show that Demogorgon who's boss. We need something big. Got any farmhouses? Never mind, the bike did the trick. And we've got blocks. Good. We can use this to make something strange all our own. We can rule the upside down with our very own beast. Things are kind of crazy with a spooky little ghoul like you. Crank out the disco ball. It's a Sprunki pizza party. This is a real shindig. They're even staying up past 8. But you guys should really take care of your trash. Well, I guess it's up to our hosts to clean house. Do I get to ask if they even used coasters? Uh-oh, you're making Simon angry. You won't like him when he will become a Sprunki eater. Now I see why dogs don't like vacuum cleaners. You guys are about to have a little time out. But Gray doesn't want anyone thinking he's a bad host. So why don't we play some games to spring them? First, something spooky's going on at the play park. Oh, why didn't these kids just stay home and play video games? This is exactly why Inside became a thing. What a mean slide. I always liked swings better. And just look at those teeth. All the better to bite you with. Hey. This is a playground, so we need an old playground trick. Mints and soda. You can't beat a classic. And this ain't the sugar-free kind either. The baby Sprunkies are free. And we got a tooth. What's more relaxing than a trip on the lake? A little fishing, and mermaid catching too. We need to throw these guys back. Gray, we've got a new mission for you. Go down and help let them loose. After all, they won't make good fish sticks. Uh-oh, that net is made of tough material. Maybe this is a job for someone with fingers. It comes in handy when you need to use scissors. Courtesy of our old pal, Semi-Hemi. Time to put those chompers to good use. Now swim on out of here, unless you want to be sashimi. I wonder what the mermaids are gonna do now. Ooh, it looks like they want a little word with you. Remember, always pack your water wings. Here's the next item, straight from the sea, a shell. Speaking of mermaids, Vineria's looking like a chicken of the sea. And something tells me she's not the scariest thing in here. Don't worry, no monster can withstand the power of a flashlight. While we're on it, maybe Vineria will enjoy the company. Just make sure we caught them all. Next up, looks like your Hogwarts letter finally came. Just need leg of toad and rest of toad. A toadstool? some eye of newt, set to boil. Now let's bring on all mermaid friends. This witch's brew is like chicken soup for the soul. Just save some for our next item. Looks like we're heading back to the water. And just in time. We need to help clean up the lake. I think we know where to start. And who to stop. Naughty Mr. Black. Let's mess up your plumbing. Even Mario won't be able to help you now. In fact, all the gunk will go somewhere safe and secure. Wow, you even earned an extra life! But now, let's clear up all of this litter. You know, I never knew so many things could be magnetic. Well, if it cleans up the lake, I'm not gonna complain.
Huh?
Just keep an eye on your bait. Don't want to hurt the fish. Unless it's lunchtime. Where are we on that sashimi idea? Guess there really are plenty of fish in the sea. We've got heart. In more ways than one. Who needs the sea when we've got a winter wonderland? Just make sure you're properly dressed first. Uh-oh! Winter just freezes in the snow! Ironically. Maybe this stick could help. Maybe not. Oh no! We have to hurry before winter turns into an ice cone! We should make sure that everything is safe around here. Uh-oh! This looks like a job for our trusty mallet! When it comes to reindeer, I'll stick with Rudolph. Usually, third time's the charm around here. We need to heat things up around here. Or we'll need to change Gray's name to Blue. Gray is gray again, but let's save some water. Once again, a little water is the solution.
Ooh.
There's so much cool stuff, from ice cream to penguins. But let's focus. We need to find Winter. Ooh, looks like Santa needs to pick up Frosty. We found Winter, and she's got a foxy new attitude. How unique! We've got a new snowflake. All these items combined will get Simon back to normal.
Huh?
Okay, you've spent enough time out. You're free to go. Want to have a basement party? No? Then we might as well head upstairs. Watch your step. Oh no, not this again. Come on, everyone. Let's all lend a hand to pick things up. See? Cleaning can be fun. And so is avoiding Simon's wrath. Wow, it's Pinky and Oren's big day.
Oh.
Yes, very touching. Where's the cake? Oh no! Mr. Black's tampering with it! I'd still take a slice. Come on, cake is cake. Oh no! They're zombies! The living dead! These theme weddings are getting out of hand. Careful, don't swat them. They might bite. Don't worry, maybe science will save them. But we'll have to play a few games first. Let's start with a round of Spot the Zombie. It's just Wenda and her unmentionables.
Ew.
What's with all the masks? And spare Sprunki parts? Time for a quick zombie check. Oh, it's just Sky. And he's just stocked up on Sprunki costumes.
Yay!
Guess Pinky's a mummy for Halloween. Hold on. Let's check your luggage. Zombie food! It's not Pinky. It's zombie Derple. Zerple? You don't deserve to wear this bow. You're under arrest, and we've just earned our first potion. Next up, it's a shadow puzzle. Match everyone to their shapes. Might as well give it the old college try. That's not quite right. Think ears. Find the shape with big rabbit ears. She and Oren are always close by. Next, think spikes. Spikes. Yeah, now you're getting it. Ah, red and green. Just like Christmas. Now hurry! It's Zombie Aqua! Run! Well, no use crying over a spilled vase. Except you woke up Zombie Sky! Oh, this is bad. He's supposed to be hibernating. Don't panic! All we need to do is block the exit. Ah, yes, the pillow. The zombie's natural enemy. Keep crawling, Pinky. Just keep crawling.
Phew.
And look, you've earned the next potion. Next up, it's a transformation chamber. And our soda can is the perfect test subject. Looks like we're getting a visit from Coca. So Peppy can't be too far behind. You know what this means. Let the soda wars begin. Nah, just kidding. You guys need to sort things out. 'Cause you two are gonna be lab partners. Relax with a nice cola bath. With extra fizz, too. Aw, these two have never been closer. If only you two actually got along. Breaking up is hard to do, but we're professionals. So you two will be splitting up in your sleep. What else does the sand have for us? This'll keep things clean. And next, something to cut the cake. And by cake, I mean soda, which we can cut. You take a break, and we'll take this. Baby Sprunkies. They make their dreams come true, but it looks like they're in a nightmare. This rescue is brought to you by the letter A. Huh, that was close. Quick, to the seesaw! Alphabet power! B to the rescue! Almost done. We gotta protect the slide. C is for cookie. And also crush! Hurry, Sprunkies! Your moms are here to pick you up! We just need to help match them up. Something tells me they don't go together. Ah, that's more like it. And by process of elimination, Baby Ratty goes with Mama Ratty.
Yay!
And it's a mini reunion for the Pinky pair. Does she have a strawberry milk mustache?